In this video, we will be discussing how we can apply some loyalty points to a customer from sales, point of sale, and website. So, first, let's make sure that the promotions, loyalty, and discount gift card option is enabled. So, from that, we will be getting discount and loyalty. Let's create a new one which says loyalty program 20% loyalty program. And let's select the program type as a loyalty cards, and here we can apply price list, validity date, and usage limitations. I have applied this particular program in the sales website and point of sale, and also this points can be used in the current and the future order, so that whenever a purchase is done, this can be used, this loyalty points can be used. Or if we want to set it for future orders, that also can be made. So under the condition, I will set a condition as for $100 minimum purchase, he will be getting one per spent, and save it. And the reward will be a 20% of discount in exchange of 200 loyalty points, let's say. How about in exchange of 500 loyalty points? And I'll save this. So now we have, for 100 spent, he will be getting $1 for each, and for 500 loyalty exchange, it will be 20% of discount. So now we are all set with the program code, and now let's try to create. Let's choose Smart Demo, and for a beanbag, it is 2,500. Let's confirm this order without applying any rewards, and let's check what is the current loyalty for mark demo. It is 2,500 for that particular S0061. So let's try to create a new one for mark demo itself, and let's purchase one product which is of $100, let's see. And I'll just save this. And under the rewards, while we apply here, we have the 20% of loyalty program, and apply that. So here we get a 20% discount from that 100 rupees, and the amount has been applied. Now confirm it. Let's check the discount and loyalty program. And from that loyalty points, it has been used for a 500, and it says it is 2,100 loyalty points extra balance. Now let's try the for the same customer from a point of sale. And here I'll purchase a different product, which is a large meeting table. So it is for 4,200. And let's select the customer as mark demo. Here we have a set of loyalty points for him. It's, in the rewards, let's apply that at 20% of discount. So we have added the 20% of discount, which is applied already. In the payments, we can see the bill. So in the bill, it is provided that for the large meeting table, a 20% of discount has been applied, and there are certain loyalty points awarded for mark demo, and the complete points has been calculated. So now let's check in his account. There is one loyalty card. So for this particular order from the POS, it has been issued like 4,200, and the 500 has been used from that same, or from that same points. So now the remaining is 5,800. Now one more thing is from the website. So to check the website, I'll log in as Smart Demo. Here we have a demo account. So in here, I'll shop from the website. I'll just remove this. And I'll shop a new thing. Let's say it's a large desk. Add it to cart. So now we have that. And here we have the 20% discount on the order. I'll apply it and it costs me like a 500 loyalty points. So now I have applied a 20% of discount, and we can do the payments. Just try to do the payment. Now it is done. So let's log in as the admin and let's check what is the current balance. So the loyalty point has been changed, and from the website there is one more order, and we have used 500. So this is how we manage the loyalty points for each customers from Odoo in the sales point of sale and website side. Thank you.